Hi there. I'm attorney Louis Haskell, downstream from the Tat Mok waterfall in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And I am going to talk today about what I like to call my favorite fall bankruptcy payment plan. Although I'm recording it in January and it is still in effect, so we will now call it my favorite winter or tax season bankruptcy payment plan. In any event, it's a fairly straightforward thing. You come in to see me about bankruptcy. You put down a $200 deposit. And by the way, that's true year-round, that the initial deposit is at least $200. And when I have that deposit, I am now, your lawyer, and when your creditors call, you can give them my name and number, and that will buy you several months of peace while you make your remaining payments or otherwise, pay for the bankruptcy. However, at tax season, we do something very special because most of my clients get tax refunds. A lot of them get very substantial tax refunds. So what we do is we say, okay, you put the $200 down, you do your taxes, and you make the last payment when you get your tax refund. Although, by the way, stay tuned because it gets a little bit better. And in this way, it's basically a two-payment plan, and you pay it when you have the money. When you get your tax refund, it's the easiest time for people in financial distress to do such a thing. It also has an added advantage. One of the things that's going to happen when you file your bankruptcy petition and the trustee sees that you received a large tax refund is the trustee's going to ask, what did you do with all that money? Well, if the answer is I used some of it to pay attorney Haskell, the trustee's going to say, great use of your money. The trustee won't say that, but it is recognized in the bankruptcy court that paying your attorney is a legitimate expense and it's something you're allowed to use your money for. And so it solves, kind of that problem, because in bankruptcy, my world is upside down. What's good is bad, what's bad is good, and a big tax refund, therefore, is bad. So I like that. Now, to sweeten the deal, though, I also do taxes. So for new bankruptcy clients who come in under the favorite payment plan, I throw in a basic individual tax return. Now, let me just say, if you have a business or investment properties or things like that, we'll probably just cut the price in half. But for most people, and that includes, by the way, people who itemize, it's a free tax return. And I like that for a couple of reasons. One is, it is something nice, that I can do. As a lawyer, you really can't be offering sales or specials or things like that. But this is something that I can do. It's allowed. It's within the rules. It's not tacky. Free tax return. But also, look, I'm waiting for you to do your taxes so that I can get your bankruptcy over with and get this file done, closed out of the office, and by the way, get paid. So in this way, if I'm doing the taxes for free, I know that the taxes will be done as soon as possible, that they'll be done quickly, and that since I'm doing them, I know that they will be done correctly, and that also saves me problems as the bankruptcy lawyer. So this really is a favorite plan for me. It's been I've been doing this for a few years, and it's been very popular with my clients. And so, if you find yourself in financial distress and think you may need to seek relief under the bankruptcy code, by all means, come to see me and take advantage of this plan. Thank you. It did not work.